Xiaomi Mi 8 and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's unlock the screen. Here we need to find and select the settings. Then let's scroll down and choose here the additional settings right here. From the following options, let's choose privacy right here. Scroll down and here you need to find and select encryption and credentials. Choose here clear credentials, and if you would like to remove all the following content, let's tap OK. Excellent, you just clear all credentials from your device. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.